There are many products available to choose electric can opener, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric can opener from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Electric Can Opener. Those who like to get others involved in the cooking process will like the Amazon Basics Electric Can Opener. The model features an automatic stop for when it's done removing the lid, so you won't have to worry as much about any little ones getting hurt while using it. This electric can opener has a non-slip base, so it won't move on your countertop, a benefit for those cooking with small children or anyone who may need additional assistance. There's also a built-in blade sharpener, but it's conveniently hidden in the back of the unit. Plus, a magnetic lid holder prevents the lid from dropping into the can once it's removed. We also appreciate that this pick has integrated cord storage in the back, so it's easy to neatly store this can opener and protect the cord as well. This pick will likely need to be kept on the countertop unless you have additional storage. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Walk N-Cut Can Opener. Many electric can openers are wired, but if you prefer a more portable option, we recommend the Hamilton Beach Walk N-Cut. This pick is rechargeable, so you can take it on the go as you need. To use this model, simply place the opener on top of a can. It will move along the can's lid, cutting the edge, and then stop automatically and shut off once the job is complete. This can opener can open at least 19 cans on a single charge, so you'll be able to get quite a bit of use without needing to plug it in. The can opener performed well on all kinds of cans up to 48 ounces. It shuts off automatically after it removes a lid, so you won't have to monitor it while it's in use. The blade is removable and easy to wash, making it a cinch to keep clean. While this can opener will hold a charge for a bit, keep in mind that the manufacturer recommends charging it for 24 hours before its first use. Number 3. POHL Electric Can Opener. If you're short on storage space, you'll love having the POHL Electric Can Opener handy. This multi-purpose kitchen tool can be used to open cans and bottles, as well as sharpen knives, so you won't need to store several different kitchen tools. Like many other electric can openers, you'll want to ensure you have space on your countertop or storage area to keep this gadget. That being said, we like that this pick has cord storage, which looks neat and tidy when the can opener isn't being used. The magnetic lid holder keeps the can upright and in place. Thanks to the design of this choice, there are no sharp edges. Additionally, this pick has a detachable cutting lever, making it a cinch to clean. Number 4. Kitchen Mama Mini Electric Can Opener. If you're heading out on a road trip, you'll need to pack the Kitchen Mama Mini in your bags. The electric can opener is small enough to stash in a camping cooler or RV kitchen and has a sharp stainless steel blade that easily cuts through can lids. This can opener features a one-button system that starts and stops it. We love the one-touch functionality, which means it's easy to use, even if you have cold or gloved hands while sitting around the campfire. Once the can is open, the edges are smooth, so you can safely remove the can's lid and use it again to store away any leftovers. This pick is offered in white, blue, and orange, each of which is easy to find in your bags. It runs on 2 AA batteries, which are not included, so be sure to add them if you take this pick on the road. Number 5. Can Slab Ultra Blade Series. We recently tried the Can Slab Ultra Blade Series and were impressed with its performance. The reduced noise and faster cutting speed made opening cans a breeze. The rechargeable battery was a great feature, as we didn't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. The smooth edge left on the can was a nice touch, and we appreciated the added safety it provided. One thing to note is that the can opener may not work on rimless soda cans, so keep that in mind if you frequently consume soda. Additionally, The price point may be higher than other electric can openers on the market, but we believe the added features and sleek design make it worth the investment. Overall, we highly recommend the CanSlab Ultra Blade series for anyone in the market for a new electric can opener. Its modern design, powerful motor, and smooth cutting edge make it a great addition to any kitchen. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.